we'll guide you through how to create stunning watercolor effects in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your computer. Once you're in, create a new document by clicking on File, then select New. Choose a canvas size that suits your project, then hit Create. Now, it's time to set up the brush. Go to the Brush Presets panel, which you can find on the right side by default. In the search bar, type Watercolor to filter the available brushes. Krita has some fantastic built-in watercolor brushes, so pick one that you like. To get that authentic watercolor look, you'll want to adjust the opacity and flow settings of the brush. You can find these settings in the toolbar at the top. Lowering the opacity will give you a more transparent effect, just like real watercolor paint. You should also check if the brush has the build-up option enabled in the brush editor settings, as this mimics the way watercolor layers gradually. Next, it's time to play with the layers. Add a new layer by clicking the New Layer button in the Layers docker. This lets you build up your painting without affecting the existing layers. Now, start painting with your selected brush. For a more varied effect, you can experiment with blending modes. Right-click on the layer, then go to Properties and explore modes like Multiply or Overlay. These blend the colors in a way that mimics watercolor washes. To add texture, you can use the Texture Overlay option in the brush settings. Select a paper texture from the predefined options, and adjust the scale and strength to your liking. This gives your painting that extra touch of realism. Finally, if you want to soften edges or blend colors, switch to the Smudge tool. Adjust the size as needed, and gently blend areas to create smooth transitions. With these steps, you'll achieve beautiful watercolor effects in no time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.